Hey everybody, Jeffrey here from JR Linton, and today I'm going to help out by demonstrating how you can connect a SATA, I think it is a SATA, yeah, to USB and collect some data from it. So my problem is my SATA drive is not working. I'm trying to install Windows Server 2012 standard on this piece of Dell machine that was sitting down not doing anything. So it wasn't working, and I found a way to sort it out. So I'm no means a philanthropist, but I think I might be because I'm saving you guys time, so you don't have to waste your time tearing your head out wondering how you're gonna get it to work. So that's enough babbling for me. Let's get straight into it. So we have 500 gig hard drive here, and we got this SATA connections thingy that I got off eBay. Yeah, just Google it. Right, so we first want to connect the data part, which is that right there. I don't have a camera guy with me, so or female, so I just have to get on with what I've got. My two hands. So we're gonna stick that in there, like so. Get in. Is it in? Yep, that's in. And power. Now the problem is this one didn't come with any power. I bought it years back, but it came in handy tonight. Yeah, so what I've done is I've used the power from the power source here in the Dell computer. If that makes sense to you, then let's go for it. And we're gonna stick it in the power space there. Come on, get in there. There we go. Right, cool. So now we've got power. There's static electricity hovering, so I've touched that to grounds it or whatever. Right, okay, cool. So just hit the button, power button on the computer itself. And yeah, we heard that beep, fan spinning, so we got power into the drive. Now we need to get that data cable, USB port, of course. Very straightforward. Get this baby in. Right. Now my computer gonna make a noise. Come on. There we go. Noise. Right. So there we go. Windows has now installed the drive, so you can see it there at the bottom. So yeah. Now, second part of the video. Well, you know what? Let me just go into this. So now, if I go into computer, problem is the drive's not showing up. Can you see that? But if I go into start and then hit control panel and then device and printers, and voila, you can see that right there. It says USB whatever. My camera's not very good because it's a BlackBerry, but it's there, but it's not showing up in my computer. So I'm now gonna move over from here because I've got this recording software on my Windows 8 computer. So for those of you who got Windows 8, this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna come over here to this computer, and then we're gonna, yeah, just sort it out. So in a bit. Okay, so here we are. Windows 8 computer, and screen recorded has started, I think. Alright, stick this baby into the USB port and wait. Ah, here's my cue. Something's happening, and it should be installing any second now. Now. Right, okay, it probably has installed itself, so safe remove media. Yeah, it's there. Right, it's right there. Cool. Alright, so now if we go to start my computer, see, it doesn't show up. It doesn't show up. So this is my hard drive with Windows on it, and this is my other drive, so it's not showing up here. However, if we go to control panel and view devices and printers, here we are. So you can see it right there. I mean, you can't do anything with that. I want to format it because I need to install Windows Server 2012 on it. So the solution is start, then right click computer, and then manage. Now you're in the computer management. You click on where there's storage there, disk management. There you are. So you can see my D drive, you can see my C drive, but check it out. There's a no name drive here. So this is the guy that we're looking at. This is what we can't see. And if you notice up here, while I'm clicking here, if you look up here, you notice it doesn't have any letter allocated to it. So yeah. So another way you can go into that as well, if you're new to Windows 8, you can click the folders tab, and then you can, where it says this PC, you right click that and then you say manage, and disk management, boom, there it is. Alright, so now your drive might look a little different from mine, so I'm gonna just go delete these stuff because I don't need them, because I want to format them fresh. So delete volume, are you sure, whatever, read that stuff. You can pause and read it in your own time. Just wait for it to be deleted. Okay, that's done. Come on, delete volume. Yes, I want to delete it. Okay, and we've got one more left, and yeah, new simple volume. Alright, so you want to make this volume simple, right? So you go through the wizard next, and my mouse is frozen. Okay, cool. Right, so I mean, I don't know what all this is for anyway, but it will max it out. So let it stay at the max number. The maximum disk space is there. Simple volume size in megabytes. So make sure it matches. Next, Windows is going to allocate a drive letter as of F for it. So leave that as is. Next, so the label is going to we're going to call it new volume. That's Windows name, but let me call it JR Linton, and it's a Seagate pipeline. So P-I-P-L-I-N-E pipeline HD02. That's what I'm going to call it. Quick format. Next, finish. And look, see there, it's saying formatting. Wait for it. Wait for it. And boom, look at that. So up here you notice it says drive F. So if we go to this PC, look at that, 465 gigabytes. So yeah, we're back up and running. So yeah, so that's how you do it. And if you click out of that, yeah, so it's showing up. And look at this. So if I do like this and plug out the USB cable, it's gone. Plug this baby back in again. Wait for it. Alright, there it is. It's a no-brainer. Now we can put this back into the Dell computer over there, and then we can start our Windows Server 2012 installation. Right, okay, cool. So that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for listening. I hope it helps.